Hey guys, it's Charlie, and today I want to introduce a new food that I've tried since yesterday. And I've been thinking about it all day. And it's native to Oaxaca, and it's called Tlayuda.
Tlayuda refers to the large, unique type of corn tortilla that's native to central Oaxaca. It also refers to the type of dish that is a tortilla topped with many different things. For example, here it's smothered in refried beans. Also, you can add meat. Obviously, mine is vegetarian. Lettuce, avocado, tomato, Oaxaca cheese, which is considered a Mexican version of string cheese, but tastes a million times better than string cheese, and salsa.
Pure deliciousness. How is yours?
It's amazing.
Yeah. And this one is a little different. Yeah. Yesterday they folded mine in half, but you can eat them flat also.
There are no set rules on what you can top on your tlayuda, but a tlayuda is usually served open-faced or sometimes folded.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.